I'm Nihal and welcome to my channel Nick Chat. And if you are new to this channel, if you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel. And who is interested in space related content, share it with them. And if you learn something new today, if this video is interesting, give it a like. So without wasting any time, come on, let's go to the video. But one second. I booked a train to the moon. I booked a Japanese train to the moon. So can you believe it? You cannot believe it. So I will show you the proof. So really, I booked a Japanese train to the moon, and here's a ticket. See you guys. Here's a ticket. And by the way, I admit it's not true because this will be only true in the 21st century of 2120. So as soon as you heard this, you will be disappointed that this project of Japanese train to the moon. But don't get disappointed so fast because there are two projects. One is to the moon and one is to the Mars. So you don't need to get disappointed because you might also be able to go in this trip. So you'll be wondering how come it's 2120? Will I be alive till then? But at least you can go to the prototype trip to the moon at 2050. So the trip will be executed to the moon by 2050 and every arrangement will be done in the moon by 2050. So you can go to the moon and have a nice vacation trip and come back, but not the Mars. So for this whole project to finish, it will take 1 century, 22nd century, and it will finish at 2120. So you'll be having a doubt as soon as you heard this. How can a train go from Earth to moon and from moon to Mars? And by the way, from your birth, you're in this Earth atmosphere only, this oxygen, this gravity and all this stuff. Suddenly if you go to moon's zero gravity level, so reproduction will not happen properly, mammals reproduction will not happen properly, many side effects will happen biologically in your body, and many such problems are there. So I'll be wondering whether should I take a oxygen tank in my back and wear full space suit and go with full safety just very uncomfortably, or this train and how this train will go to moon to Mars and from Mars to the Earth back again. You'll be having lots of doubts like this. So, do you really need to take a spacesuit on the moon or Mars or something like that? But no need that because Kajima Corporation and Kyoto University have made a contract that they are going to make a project to the moon and Mars. So they have told every single thing is planned, how to live in the atmosphere of moon and Mars. Every plan is being tested and every prototype models, every single thing is ready. Now the only thing is to execute the plan. So by the way, I'll tell you how are you going to live in the moon atmosphere. So there'll be something called moon glass. There'll be almost 600 meters height, and inside that there'll be Earth-like atmosphere, completely Earth-like atmosphere, like oxygen and all these things, plants and mammals, and many birds will be flying there. So you'll be having a completely Earth-like atmosphere inside the moon glass, and all the facilities will be provided to you. And by the way, even in the Mars also there will be something called Mars glass that you will be having the same concept which is made on the moon. That will also be a 600 meters height glass, and you will be able to have the whole Earth-like atmosphere structure there. So probably this is an easy way of living in the other planets. But you will be having another doubt: how the train is going to travel from Earth to Mars to Moon? Sorry, to Moon from Mars. Actually, there will be something called the Terra Station in Earth, successor of International Space Station. From there, they will release a train of 6 capsules, and 6 capsules of how many meters or how many passengers, I don't know for now. But a 6 capsule train will travel from Earth to Moon to Mars. So it's like Earth is the first station, Moon is the second station, Mars is the last station. So this station will be located in space, and trains will be directly released from space, and you will be having a visit to the Moon and Mars, and you'll be having a nice lifestyle in 22nd century, not in the 21st century. So how we are going to go from Earth to uh, from the from the Earth atmosphere to space, and from space to Moon and Mars, probably will be taken by rockets or something like that. I don't know much information about that, but this is a very great general knowledge that Japan is approving to make this possible by 2120. But you will be able to go on a moon trip at 2050. So be ready for the next generation technology, and this is a really great space fact, and it's really good. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe it and like it and share it with your friends. And to get more interesting sorry, to get more interesting contents like this, be keep tracking my channel and press the bell icon for getting all notification of my latest video. And by the way, I'll tell what's my next video. It is the Area 51. So don't miss it and don't forget to subscribe it. So bye everyone.